What is up, Girls Rock? It's your girl Jonesy here. I'm gonna take you guys on a speed through / tutorial of sorts on my process of making acrylic art. It's very beginner friendly. I taught myself how to do this. I did not get a degree in visual art. So I hope that I inspire you guys to pick up a paintbrush and do the same thing and see what you got inside of you. Let's start off with supplies. Real quick, we've got paint. I suggest doing the Roy G. Biv, getting one of every color. You can get this from Walmart. This is called Americana. It's a matte paint. And there's also silk paint. Silk is a little bit shinier. I prefer a matte look. Totally preference. You're gonna need paint brushes of some sort. I say get the variety pack because you get one of each kind and you can do bigger brushes for bigger surfaces, smaller brushes for details. Options are always nice. Cup with water in it. You're gonna swirl those guys around in between changing colors, drying them off on this guy. You really want to make sure you get all the paint off of a brush that you're going to try to use again for another color so you don't muddy your colors. In terms of canvases, there's big guys, little guys, small guys, long guys. You can find a piece of wood if you wanted to, if you have that. Anything you can paint, basically. In this video, we're going to do a little guy. Other than that, get your board, get your reference image. If you don't have a reference image or you want to paint something in real life, you can grab your dog, sister, cat, iguana, plant, anything you have really, and sit down and really look at it, observe it, sketch it out. I go over it with Sharpie to make a nice thick outline that I can paint over so that I can still see it. And then we go from there, and I think that's where we dive in the video. So I'm just going to be quiet now, and you guys can watch and see, and I can't wait to see what you guys create.